In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand what memory full means in ChatGPT and guide you through the steps to clear it. ChatGPT Memory is a feature designed to store information that you've allowed it to remember, such as your preferences, which can make your interactions with the AI smoother and more tailored to your needs. However, when ChatGPT's memory is full, it means the system can't store any new details until you decide to manage or clear the existing data. This can affect how ChatGPT operates, as it won't be able to remember new preferences or changes. First, let's start by opening ChatGPT's settings to address this. If you're using ChatGPT on a desktop or the web, you'll need to navigate your way to the settings by clicking on your profile picture at the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, select Settings. But if you're using the mobile app, tap on the three dots menu, often represented as three small dots or ellipsis, usually found in the corner, and then choose Settings. This will take you to ChatGPT's main settings page. Then, once you're inside the settings, the next thing you need to do is find the personalization section. Within that, there's a tab labeled Memory. This is where ChatGPT stores and manages its memory features. Under the memory section, you'll see options that allow you to manage the stored memory. Here, you can explore what exactly ChatGPT has saved so far, which could include a variety of personalized details you may have allowed it to keep. When you check the available options, you'll notice a couple of choices. You can view what's been stored to get an idea of what ChatGPT remembers about your interactions. Alternatively, you can choose to clear all memory, which effectively wipes everything that's been saved so far. If you're looking to prevent new data from being saved, you also have the option to turn memory off, although this means ChatGPT won't retain any information moving forward. Now, to specifically address the memory full error, the best action is to clear the memory. Click on the option labeled Clear All Memory. You must confirm this action, and once you do, ChatGPT will reset all stored memory, freeing up the necessary space. The memory full warning disappears after you've cleared the memory. Finally, to ensure everything is running smoothly, restart ChatGPT. You can accomplish this by logging out and logging back in, or simply refreshing the app or page. Once that's done, you'll find that you can continue using ChatGPT without encountering any memory-related errors. With these steps, you're all set to manage ChatGPT's memory effectively, ensuring it works seamlessly for all your inquiries and tasks.